Come on. I just can't tell you, that is the wildest sound that you ladies get.
Thank you, Sammy. I think that's Motown all the way.
Yeah, that's Motown. That's Gordy. Yeah, Detroit. It moves. It really has the sound of the city. And you know, ladies and gentlemen, there are songs that give us that special sound. Huh?
Los Angeles?
Well, may I present the sound of Los Angeles?
The lyrics to that, you might have a hit.
Oh, no chance. I tell you where there's a sound of a city. In Paris.
Yeah.
You walk down the streets of Paris, and you hear the sounds of little drawn horse carriages, champagne, toast to the sidewalk cafe. Ooh la la. Ah, ooh la la. And the violin players at Maxine's. La 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 under Paris sky. Hey, tell me, what sound does this city remind you of? Ooh!
Train, Chicago.
I thought you was never gonna say that.
I had to think of it.
And don't forget that horn.
Chicago style.
Bet your bottom dollar you lose the blues in Chicago, Chicago. Ah,
Oh, what? Is that the sound of a city?
No, that was the sound of a sponsor, and we'll be right back with the cities in a minute. Stop it, do it.